Today I'm at Universal Orlando at the Lowe's Royal Pacific Resort. It has a South Seas vacation vibe and offers great perks like free express passes and early park admission. It's also one of the most convenient hotels on Universal Orlando property and often one of the most economical within the premier hotel category. So join me as I tour Lowe's Royal Pacific Resort at Universal Orlando in Florida. It's coming up right now. Our tour begins here on this bamboo walkway, which really sets the scene for the Pacific Island vibe. While it may look like this hotel is going to be more rustic in nature, Universal wanted to make it feel like the modern-day luxury hotels of the South Pacific and to be very different from the mid-century design of Disney's Polynesian Village Resort over at Disney World. Yeah, there are two Pacific Island-themed hotels in Orlando. The lobby is the centerpiece of the Royal Pacific. The spacious check-in area sets the tone that this is a luxury, a modern-day South Seas resort. To the left of the check-in desk, you'll see luggage services, a concierge desk, and an Avis car rental desk. Most importantly, you'll find the Universal Vacation Planning Center. This is where you'll pick up your theme park tickets. You can ask any questions you may have, or even get assistance with setting up your Universal Orlando mobile app. See, unlike Disney World, where you begin setting up the app months in advance, there isn't much to do in Universal's mobile app until you arrive. If you booked a room and ticket package, which is what I recommend, you can add your theme park tickets to the app, but you'll need to stop at the vacation planning desk first to get your tickets. If your room isn't ready when you arrive, you can still retrieve your theme park tickets here, store your bags with luggage services, and even head off to a theme park. One of the biggest perks that comes with staying at Royal Pacific is that you get free Universal Express Pass Unlimited when you include theme park tickets or have an annual pass. Note that this is the unlimited Express Pass, so you can bypass the lines as much as you want on most attractions. Now, your room key is also your Express Pass when you're in the parks. If your room isn't ready when you check in, that's okay. You can still obtain your room keys from the front desk, so you can use your Express Pass Unlimited on the rides. When your room is ready, you'll receive a text on your phone with your room number, and they will automatically activate your room keys. So it's a very nice system. We're not done with the lobby yet. The lobby itself is surrounded by the Orchid Court. As you step through the glass doors, you'll be greeted with hundreds of beautifully colored orchids, tranquil fountains, hand-carved furniture from the Bali Islands, and statues of elephants, which all come together to transport you into the South Pacific theme. Now, right near the front desk, you'll find the grab-and-go market called Tuk Tuk Market. Enjoy quick service, continental favorites, and coffee for breakfast. This is your go-to spot for something to drink, snacks, sandwiches, hot dishes, and there's even ice cream. The Orchid Court Lounge and Sushi Bar is located right inside the lobby. This Polynesian-inspired sushi bar has inventive presentations along with delicious desserts and martinis. You'll find it right in the lobby across from the Orchid Court. The most common rooms are the Standard View and Water View rooms. These rooms are approximately 335 square feet and come with 2 queen beds or 1 king bed. King rooms can accommodate 3 guests and queen rooms can accommodate up to 5 with a rollaway bed. The nominal fee may apply for the rollaway bed, but sometimes they charge you for it and sometimes they don't. It's just a matter of who you get and who's doing the billing on that particular day. Club level add-on is also available and includes access to the VIP lounge. Now, another really cool thing about this hotel is that they have the Jurassic World Kid Suites. They're a very popular room category at Royal Pacific, and they do sell out fast. There are only 8 suites available. The Kid Suite consists of a king bedroom for adults with a connecting door to a separate room just for the kids. The children's room only opens to the adults' room, so they have no hallway access to their room. Jurassic World Suites sleep up to 5 guests. A rollaway bed may be needed to accommodate the 5th guest, and of course that nominal fee may apply. Now, the Royal Pacific is also a convention hotel, so there are a number of suites ranging from hospitality suites up to presidential suites. Dining options will be on the first floor, where you can find two very popular table service restaurants. Jake's American Bar is open for lunch and dinner and serves adult beverages, sandwiches, and appetizers. You may even have seen the plane docked out in the lagoon behind the hotel, and it is here, inside this restaurant, where you'll find the story of that plane. You'll see references to it in the artwork on the walls, even on the menu, so you'll have to see if you can put the story together when you're here. And across from Jake's, you'll find the island's dining room serving Asian and South Pacific inspired cuisine. It's the go-to spot for breakfast in the morning, but it's also open for dinner. And speaking of breakfast, I recommend that you eat breakfast at the hotel. There are very limited breakfast options inside the theme parks. This is true for most of the Universal hotels, so if you are a rope dropper and you want to get to the parks early, don't plan on getting something to eat in the parks or at City Walk. It's better to eat at the hotel before you leave. Right outside the two restaurants, you'll find Royal Pacific's resort-style swimming pool, which features a white sand beach, two hot tubs, the Royal Valley Playscape for kids, private cabana rentals, and a pool bar and grill. There are no water slides at this hotel, and to me that's a little disappointing for a Premier hotel, especially because the other two Premier hotels offer them, and even Cabana Bay, which is a prime value hotel, has a water slide. But it's not quite a deal breaker. It's a pool you're going to have fun anyway. Located right behind the pool complex, you'll find the dock for the free water taxis. The water taxis run approximately every 10 to 15 minutes to the theme parks. You'll also notice a walking path that leads to the theme parks, and it's usually much faster than waiting for the water taxi. You can walk to the theme parks in approximately 10 to 20 minutes, but the water taxis are a nice option, especially when you're returning from the theme parks and you're exhausted. Bus service to the parks is also available. However, I would not recommend it. Buses come every 30 minutes and they seem to take forever. So if you can walk or take the water taxi instead, you'll get there much faster. To see more about what I do, visit OrlandoParksGuy.com. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram.